Logical operators and or not. These are logical operators. This operator is used to combine multiple conditions into one condition. Previously, in relational operator, we compared two operands, operand 1 and 2. If the condition is satisfied, the resultant value will be 1. If it fails, the resultant value will be 0. Similar to that is your logical operator also, but here we are going to compare two conditions. So left side of logical operator will be one condition which is comprised of relational operator, and right side of the operator will be another condition. So based on the result of these two conditions, the resultant value will be 1 or 0 respectively. We'll see example of this logical operator. First is AND operator. As I said, you can see left side of the AND operator is one condition which is 9 less than 5, and right side is 5 greater than 2. So these two conditions will be evaluated. If both the conditions is true, if the resultant value of both the condition is 1, the AND operator's value is also 1. If any one is failed, the answer will be 0. See here in this condition, 9 less than 5, the resultant value is 0 here. So that the value of this example is 0. Second case, in OR operator, if any one condition is true, the answer will be 1. Either both the conditions should be true, that is both the conditions should be 1, or any one condition should be 1. When that is the case, the resultant value will be 1 here. In the example, 9 less than 5 is 0, it is false, but the right side condition is 1. So the rule of OR condition or operator is if any one condition is 1, the resultant value will be 1. Hence the result for this OR operator here is 1. And last one is NOT operator. NOT is like a reverse. So when the value what you are getting is 1, NOT operator's value will be 0. When it is 0, NOT operator's value will be 1. The inverse of the value will be given as a result for OR operator. You can see in the example. So 9 less than 5 and 5 greater than 2, which is your first example's question there. So we know that the result of that value within the bracket is 0. Since before that bracket your NOT operator is present there, the value will be inversed. Since the value is 0 there, the result of NOT operator is 1. Hope it is clear to you. So we'll see example of this one in coding window. Now we'll see the example of this logical operator. Let us declare and initialize the variable. Let us have three variables here with the initialization: a equal to 5, b equal to 5, and I am assigning the third variable's value to be 10. To store the result, let me declare the fourth variable as res. First, to res, let us use the AND operator. Here the condition what I am going to give is a equal to b, and right side condition is c greater than b. To avoid confusion, let me group the right side values. Open the bracket and at last close the bracket, end with the semicolon. So here what you are going to do is you are going to compare two conditions. First condition is whether a is equal to b. Right side condition is whether c is greater than b. When both the conditions are true, the resultant value will be true, that is 1. Printf the result of AND operator is, to display the result, give the format specifier, start this line with a new line operator, and after comma res. What will be the result? You know that value of a is 5 and b is 5. So the left side condition is satisfied because both the things are equal. What about right side value? C greater than B. C is 10 and B is 5. Of course, the condition is satisfied. So, since both the conditions are satisfied, the resultant value should be 1. Let us check another condition. RE is equal to group it, open and close the bracket. In between that left side condition, what I am going to give is A equal to B, and then AND operator, right side value, within that C less than B. Let me remove this and type it once again. So to avoid the mismatch of brackets, so do it clearly, open and close the bracket. This is for grouping the entire condition. Inside that we are going to give two conditions separated with an AND operator. So this is for first condition, give AND operator, and this bracket is for second condition. In between that you type the condition A equal to B, and in second bracket C less than B. See, here also we have compared two conditions. The left side condition will be true. Since A is equal to B, it is true. That is 1. But right side value is C less than B, but it is not true. The value will be false. Since one value is false, the resultant value should be 0. Let us display it in the screen. The resultant value of AND operator with changed condition. Right. Then we'll use the OR operator. We can copy the same condition. Now let me change the operator alone as false. Operator alone as OR. So I have changed AND to be OR. We know that for OR operator, if any one condition is true, the resultant value will be true. So the left side condition is true, the answer will be true. And last one, for it is NOT operator, we'll take the first condition. So we know since both the conditions are true, the answer will be 1. Now we are going to change it to be for NOT. So put a NOT operator before the bracket. The result of NOT operator. Okay, operator. As it is clearly known that only when both the conditions in the left side and right side of the AND operator is 1, the resultant value will be 1. If any one is failed, the resultant value will be 0. But in the case of OR operator, if any one condition is satisfied, that is the value of if any one condition is 1, the resultant value will be 1. And for NOT operator, the condition is reversed there. So when you get the result as 1, the output of NOT operator will be 0. When the result is 0, the output of NOT operator will be 1.